how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. Today in this video, I will be showing you the basic project setup needed for a Spring integration application. But before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. So let's get started. First, create a Spring Boot project with required dependencies. Open Eclipse IDE. Go to File, New, Project. Select Spring Starter Project. Click on Next. Change the artifact, description, package, and name to Spring Integration. Click on Next. Search and add Spring Integration and Spring Web as the dependencies. Click on Finish. Now the project is created but shows some error. So let's fix the GRE path. Right click on Project, Build Path, Configure Build Path, select GRE, click on Edit, select Alternate GRE, click on Finish, then click on Apply and Close. You can see the error is gone now. Let's run the Spring Boot project. Right click on Project, Run as Java Application. You can see the application has started successfully. So, we have seen how to set up Spring Integration project from scratch. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.